Parts store this week where they're working on a Fab Fours Open Fender Super Duty build. Let's head inside and check it out. We're with Josh here at Wheel Parts in Plano, Texas. So now that the build's done, what do you think about the Open Fender System install?
Honestly, we do a lot of kits here and stuff like that, and just the fact that it has, colored instructions, the sticker templates and stuff like that, it makes it, very comfortable for cutting, such a new truck and stuff like that. So honestly, it's very easy, very clean install, very happy with it.